Shop slow, it's 20 degrees outside, and I don't have nothing to work on. Let's go shopping. All right, me and the guys, we're going shopping, right?
Shopping.
Buying lots of stuff. We'll see. Who knows?
2 items. Max.
So we try to make it to at least one gun and knife show every year, and you always want to get there day one when they first open up. That way you can find all the best deals. It was cool to see that a lot of guns have either gone down in price or pretty much stayed the same. Ammunition, not so much.
I'm sorry? Real man. You want to know if that's a solid? Yeah, it's a flamethrower.
Wow. Can you put your hand here?
You can't. Well, you're actually upside down.
Oh.
Without the that actually has a little trigger for you can mount it on an AR, which goes upside down there.
Wow. That's pretty awesome. That's cool.
35 to 40 foot flames.
Really?
Gas diesel mix, heads out of your steel or paint thinner. Anything like that works. Pick a big boy. That would really.
Is this one?
Yep, flip it up the other way again.
Is it upside down?
Yep, upside down again.
Well, that one. Oh, they're backward. Okay. Wow. Yeah, I don't know my flamethrowers well.
That's okay.
That's awesome.
And see, that one can take a 3-gallon backpack, so you really want to get ready to burn stuff.
Wow. Do you make these?
No, they're a commercial product.
Okay.
They use a fuel pump.
That's cool. Does it look good on me? Yeah?
You wouldn't believe this. 70% of them we sell to women.
I would.
They won't miss this. They need to get that field to put it out of there. Well, when I got to unload the boxes, I was doing my knives, and I was like.
Shopping at a gun show can be a super fun experience, whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a first timer. Before you go, you might want to do a little research. Know what you're going for. Having a phone with you to be able to check prices is a definite bonus. Always arrive early, beat the crowd. Take advantage of having the first pick on those popular items. You're gonna want to bring cash, and always try to haggle. Alright, so far I haven't found anything. Xander found some World War II memorabilia that we that we can't show on video, but we're still shopping. And just like me with a flamethrower, avoid impulse purchases. Take your time. Gun shows are filled with a ton of interesting items that can tempt you to make impulse buys. While it's easy to get excited, it's better to stick to your plan and budget. All right, so we got exactly what we came for, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna show you whenever we get home. I did not get any praline pecans. I was good this year, but I was super sad that they didn't have any beef jerky. All right.
I was super sad they didn't have any beef jerky.
Well, usually you
Those
get
guys
some...
are good. They're not quite as good as me, but they're pretty good.
Yeah, that's true, but you don't have to make it, so that's always nice.
That is.
All right. Now, when I went to this show, I was on a mission. I wanted something that was super aesthetically pleasing to throw up on my wall with a lot of character and charm, but at the same time, I wanted it to be something that I could use that was fun to shoot. And walking through all them aisles at the Gun and Knife Show, when I saw this thing, I knew she had to be mine. So say hello to my little friend, guys. We have a 54 caliber muzzle loader. I know, is that what you thought I was going to show you? Not the flamethrower, that would have been real cool, and I should have probably bought that. But no, I had to get this. Look at this beautiful flamed maple half stock. Now this is, I believe, a kit gun. I know from the manufacturer of the barrel about what year it was made, and it's probably about 50 years old, because the manufacturer of the barrel is actually Bill Large, who was one of the most desired muzzle loading barrel building people there were. He's passed away now, unfortunately, but people would wait years to get their order of a barrel from him. In fact, it's funny because a lot of people mention that whenever they ordered barrels from Bill, that they would get the wrong caliber that they ordered, but they didn't care because they were just ecstatic to actually have one of his barrels. In fact, Bill Large was such a big name in the muzzleloading world that he was one of the founding members of the National Muzzle Loading Rifle Association. Now, if you are out shopping for a beautiful old muzzle loader and you want to know if it is made by Mr. Large, he puts in just engraving right here on the side, says W.M. Large, and that is William Large. And you'll see these 4 J's on some of them, JJJJ. That is his 4 daughters that he started putting it on later. If you see some of his beginning works, it'll still have his name on there, but it won't have the 4 J's. That's because he didn't have all his daughters yet. So I was pretty ecstatic myself when I saw this thing. The wood is perfect. All the metal workings is perfect. And she shoots pretty nice. All right, so I got my target here. You see, we've already annihilated this pumpkin a couple times. Here's my X marks the spot. Let's see what she can do. Nice. That thing shoots nice. Oh, I love it. Well, close enough for horseshoes and hand grenades. Definitely get the job done. And you know, I don't spend money unless I'm getting it on a deal. So in the comment box below, tell me, how much do you think I spent on this bad boy? And tomorrow I'll come back and update the top comment and let you know just how much I did. And of course, I could not head out without supporting some of my local Arkansas businesses. I found a booth, and the guy, he was actually called the Holster Guy, but he sold Arkansas Whetstones, and he also has ArkansasWhetstone.net. I have to stop right here, though, because why am I 44 years old just realizing that whetstone is spelled W-H-E-T? Am I the only one? Is that commonly known? Why did I assume it was W-E-T my entire life? I don't know. The comment below, am I the only one? I don't know. But let me show you what I got. Now, you can buy them individually. I went ahead and got this little box set here. You can get coarse, medium, and hard. Comes with some oil. I'll leave a link to his website in the description box below. Well, guys, this video saved you no time, money, or frustration. I just thought I'd take y'all along with me on a shopping trip. You know, I don't go shopping for purses and handbags, but I will go for a pretty old gun. Hopefully I don't get demonetized for this one. Thanks again for tuning into Chickanic. If you haven't found me at Facebook, find me at facebook.com/Chickanic. Find me on Instagram at TheRealChickanic, or find me at Chickanic.com, where you can get your own t-shirts, hoodies, and long sleeve shirts. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.